Hello, Paul Hatfield here today to give you your final update on the real estate market here in Montreal for 2013. So I just wanted to share with you my experience over the past 12 months in the real estate market here in Montreal, and kind of give you an idea on ground level really what I saw, what the real estate market was doing. So I'm sure during the year you did your research, read your reports, listened to the news, and heard a bunch of different things about interest rates rising or staying low, or markets doing well or not so well, depending where you are, and also depending who you listen to on the news. But overall, as a real estate agent, what I found on ground level was really a buyer's market, and I was saying back in early January of 2013 that I had a feeling that it was going to be a buyer's market as prices began to check on home values to make sure that those home values or those prices weren't going through the roof, making homes ultimately in the end a little too unaffordable here in Montreal, like we've seen in Toronto, Vancouver. And that's pretty much what happened this year, was that we saw a real check in pricing. So we didn't see those traditional gains that we've been used to seeing for the past decade, really, just year after year, huge increases in the percentage of a value of a property, jumping 5% year over year. What we saw here in Montreal was actually a very small increase in value at about 0.03%, so that you can get an idea of how small that increase really was. Now overall for the real estate market, that's actually very healthy. It really stops us getting into prices like Vancouver, for example, where you need something about 83% of your pre-tax dollar to actually finance your mortgage, leaving absolutely nothing left for food, electricity, and paying down your bills. So we're in a lot better shape than Vancouver, as an example, and overall the market here is healthy because of it. Now I understand for the sellers that it is a bit tough. When you look at it, you expect, we've been expecting, those huge increases year over year, and you felt that maybe you had lost value in your property. Now that's not really the case necessarily. What it really is that the prices just got checked, and that you didn't lose value, but you didn't gain what you were used to seeing. So it's nothing really lost necessarily, except the potential value, which the market in the end will dictate. The people who did best this year were buyers for condos. Now condos is there was too much inventory in the marketplace this year, so if there was a first-time home buyer looking for their first condo, or an investor looking to find a revenue property, a condo was a great opportunity because of the amount of inventory, and that was really driving prices down on condos all around. Buyers were walking into developments, noticing that there was 6, 8 for sale, and they could basically kind of pick that one, and if they didn't like that one, they go to the neighbor and get it for a little bit less. And that's just the nature of the market at the moment. So that's what 2013 was. It was a good year. It was a good year for me. I'd like to thank all my clients for supporting me, supporting my business, referring my business to their friends and family. It was great year, and I'm very, very thankful and humble that I was able to do that for my clients. As always, it's been a pleasure. I look forward to 2014, keeping you up to date on the real estate market. So stay tuned. I will be back in a couple of weeks after the holidays to give you my outlook for 2014 and what direction the real estate market is going in. So again, have a great holidays, a great New Year's. See you in the new year, and thank you again for a great 2013.